had a friend once, and we always knew when he was coming or coming at us in his car because he had headlights that were two different colors. It was a nice car. I mean, it cost probably $20,000, $30,000, but he replaced the bulb in one, but not the other, and it didn't look quite right. You got to keep in mind, bulbs have different color temperatures. Ones can be warmer, ones can be cooler. You may get a white light or a yellow light out of some of these lights. So it's critical that you replace both at the same time so you get a unified look on the front end of the car. Otherwise, you're going to get this odd shaped looking light that may be yellow on one side and white on the other, and it doesn't look quite right. So just keep this in mind when you're replacing bulbs or recommending a replacement headlight, you replace both the bulbs at the same time. This way, it's going to be a whole lot better looking vehicle. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.